But there is action that we can take just now, and we're doing that.
But I'm asking you, indeed, and you've told us about the 100 million. I'm asking you specifically about the uncertainty.
There seems to be no recognition either from Murdo Fraser or from David Mundell that they're meant to represent the interests of the people of Scotland, who massively voted to stay in the EU.
Well, with respect, Mr Brown, the overwhelming majority of people voted to stay in the UK 2 years ago, and you're bringing back the prospect of a second referendum.
Well, we said at the time when we stood in the manifesto to say if there was a material change in circumstances, such as the Brexit vote, that would change matters. We said that very clearly. But